Hello viewers, so if you are a beginner and wanted to make a very good and a professional slide, so make sure to watch my video till end. So let's get started. So first of all, I will introduce all the options to you. So here are the options. These are all your left side options from where you can save your work, you can save as, you can select animation, whatever you like. So here are the different type of animations. Like if you are working for a specific thing, like for traveling or for any other purpose, so you can select it accordingly and you can simply download from here and it will appear on your slide. Now you have other option like print, you can save and send, help. If you need any tutorial, you can just click on a help. You will find many facts as well. So now let's move to the new slide and make a new professional slide. So now here you have an office ribbon on top of it where you will find all the options, and I will explain all these options to you one by one. So now you have paste option, you have new slide option from where you can choose any slide whatever you want. So now here are the designs. You can select any design whatever you like. See, you have a lot of options. You can choose any of them. Okay, I'm going to select the orange one because I think it's a more professional one if you are going to make your presentation on a business topic. So here you have two options, like you can add title and you can subtitle. Okay, I'm going to write my title here, but I don't like this to be in that position, so I will just rotate it and drag it to somewhere in my slide wherever I want it. And make sure it's a title, so it must be in a bigger font. Let's choose another font and make it bigger. Now it's a subtitle one. I don't like to be here, so I will change its position as well, make it short. Now my slide is very simple, so I need to put a picture. I will go to insert and I will click on a picture. I have saved it in my desktop. Here is the picture. So as you can see, on top of that you have a format option where you can easily cut and crop your picture. You can change its color. So I don't want this to be at this position, so I'm just changing it. Now I will select another slide layout. Okay, so you can see you have a lot of option here. You can choose it whichever you want. I will choose the section header. I will use all the slides one by one to show you how it works. So now here also you have add titles and you have add text. So I will write my title here. I will change its position. I will rotate it and move it to anywhere in my slide. Okay, now here is a add text. I don't want this one. Click on your right side, and you can cut it. You can see there are plenty of options. You can cut, copy, paste. I will cut it. And now I want some picture to be here, so I have saved some of my images. I will choose it. Now I want one more picture to be here, so I will do the same process. Select picture and then insert. Make sure to adjust all your pictures and text at a right position. So I'm just adjusting my picture and text so that it will look more professional and good. Now I'm looking forward to insert some shape into my slide. So I will go to insert and shape option. I will select the arrow one. And on top you can see the drawing tool. From here you can change its color. You can choose the arrow. So you will find a plenty of options. Make sure your color, your slide, your text, everything would be matchable and relatable. Okay, now I want one more arrow. I will repeat the process. Adjusting my picture and make it more bigger. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. We will choose it from new slide. So now I'll choose a title and content slide. I don't want this up option. I will cut it. Click on right side and cut it. Okay, now here is the frame. Make sure your frame cover the whole slide area. So now you can write it anywhere. You can write it on a colored area as well. So now I will insert my text here. So in this slide, I'm going to show you how you can put 3 pictures on the same slide and adjust it. I need to change the font. From here you can use the shadow font as well. Now I will insert picture. From here you can select any frame you want. You can see there are a lot of options. You can choose it whatever you like. From picture effect you can put any effect. So I will choose another picture and do the same process. I will adjust it and minimize it. If you need another option, like you can send it back or you can send it front, so you can choose it. Click on your right side and you will find all these options. You see, if you select send it back, so it will be appear as a background on your slide. Now I want one more picture to be here, so let's do the same process. Okay, now I cannot use this option send to back and send to front, because as you remember, the text frame, I drag it and cover it my whole slide with that frame. So now I cannot use this background option. You can use it if you haven't covered your slide with that frame. So I will adjust all my pictures according to it. So from here you can crop your picture. Here is the option. See, I can crop my picture, make it small. From here you can align it, adjust it according to your text. If you like to insert any border into your picture, so you can select from picture border. You can choose any color you like. And now you have a picture layout. If you like to add text with your picture, so you can choose any option from here. I will choose this one. Business environment. Now you can adjust your frame anywhere in your slide, make it bigger, smaller, or whatever you like. You can change your font from here, even the font color. Now I will choose another slide. So now I will choose the next slide and show you how you can put a background format. So let's go to the next one. For background format, you need to click on the colored area and now it will open the format background. So now you have an option, and from the one picture option, picture or texture, we can insert our picture and you can change its effect as well. So now I have a picture here and now I am writing my text. I don't need this, I will cut it. So now for next video I will show you how you can put a table. So if you wanted to put a table, you can put it from here. Just simply click it and write the number of columns and row. If you don't want it, go to the insert and make your own table. So once your table formed, you can design it accordingly. You can choose the color, you can change its layout, There are plenty of options. Now you can add cell, insert left or right. You can make changes as you like. You can shade your table. If you don't want whole table to be shaded, you can choose a one specific column and shade it. If you want to insert a picture, then you can go to the shading again. Here is the picture option. Click on it and put any picture you like. To look good, make it bigger and adjust your picture. So for that, the up title, if you don't need it, just cut it. I will adjust my table and cut the add title. You can easily drag your table by click on it and then simply drag it with your arrow. Now again, I'm writing my text here. Now click on a table and adjust its position. So now in my next slide, I will show you how you can put three contents together. So now here we have a two content one. We have a three content, not the two. So I will show you how you can do it. Move the shapes. And go to the insert and the shaded content. Choose one of the shaded one from. Now here I have choose a rectangle. Click on all and design it. Shade the area. Okay, make sure your all boxes should be in a same size so it will look more professional. Adjust it. Okay, so now I don't need some of my slides, so I will cut it. Right click on your slide and cut it. Again, right click on slide and cut it. Okay, so now I will show you how you can put animations. Here is a animation bar on top. There are a lot of animation options. You can choose it. Simply click on the text or the picture and you can put animation. You can adjust the timing. If you like to have it more, you can click on it. If you don't want it, then go to the animation pane and you can change it. Now you see you have 1, 2 and 3. If I don't want and I want my 3 to come with number 2, so I will click on a previous one and then it will come with number 2. Now I will preview. Now you can see my picture and my text are coming together. Okay, so now for my next slide, I will do the same process. click on the picture and put animation. Now I will check it. Okay, now you can put transition as well. Transition is in between two slides. So when you go to your next slide, put some transition. Now you can see the first slide, and then when the second one will come, there is a transition in between. I will choose the fade one. Preview it. Same, I will do the same process on my another slide. Okay, if you want to record your own voice, you can do recording. You can even put a video as well. So now from review bar, you can check your spelling, you can find, you can put comment as well. You can write it. If you don't need it, you can delete it. The next one, I will show you how you can remove your picture background. Whatever the picture I have insert here, so all without the background. So let's go and see how I did. Oh, sorry, I need to make it on a new slide. I'll choose the new one. Now picture. Now first I will show you how you can do it from PowerPoint, and next one from Google. So here, once you go to the format, you have an option remove background. Now I have click on it, and now you can see the pink part. Pink part will be deleted, so you can drag the frame accordingly, which area you want and which area you want to be deleted. So now here I am adjusting my frame according to my, and now keep changes. So now you can see now the picture has no background. Now I will show you how you can do it from Google. Go to the google.com. Remove background. You need to choose the first one, remove.bg. It's the best website to remove your background. Now from here you can upload your image. Now I will choose it from my gallery. I will click on a download. I actually already have it. So now here you have two images. This one is from PowerPoint background and this one is from Google. I will recommend the Google one because this one is more professional than the PowerPoint one. I didn't like the PowerPoint one because it doesn't cut the unnecessary things. It will cut the whole background that doesn't look nice. Now you can see the clear difference in that. If you want to add some of your additional notes, you can write it below. Here is the option you can write all your notes. Okay, go to the insert if you want to put some tags, some header and footer. So you can click on it and you can write it. This one is a text bar. With the text bar, this one is a header and footer. You can, if you want to write date, you can choose it. If you want to write number, you can write the number. If you want to put your own name on your slide, you can write it. Sorry, my mistake. I didn't click on the. You need to click on both and then write the page number. So now you can see the page number appear at the bottom of my slide. So from here you can import videos as well. Please watch my video till end. I have attached my previous video with. If you are a teacher or a student and want to do some math work on your slide, so you can choose it from here. Here is the equation. So you have plenty of options. You can easily solve your matrix problem, your fraction, whatever you like. See, there are a lot of options. Now I will show you how you can adjust your slide page as well. And see, we have completed a design transition. So there is a page setup. Go to the design and then your left side you will see the page setup. Here is the page setup. You can choose it according to your need. You can change its width, its height. You can customize it according to your need. If you don't like landscape, you can choose portrait. See, this is the image you will get it in portrait one. I don't want it, so I will switch it back to landscape. So from down option you can see all your previous slide together, and now you can click it whichever slide you want. So now I will show you how you can make a video from PowerPoint. The best thing about this that there is no watermark. So let's go and open it. I will open the blank page. I'll choose design from here. Make sure to choose a blank slide for your video. You don't need any content on that. So now here I have two blank slides, number 2 and number 4. I'll write it how to make a professional video. If you want to write any subtitle, you can write it, otherwise you can cut it. Click on your right and cut it. Now same I will write it on my third slide, sorry. Now I have completed all my tags. Now I will put animation so that it will look more good and professional. I have chosen the animation for both of my slides. Now I will go to video and import my videos from my desktop. Make sure to adjust your video frame according to your slide frame. It must cover all your slide. Same process we will do with the fourth one. I will insert video. Now repeat the process, adjust it. If you want audio, so you can, otherwise I will mute it because I have my own voice over. Now I'll just play the video and check it. See how perfect our video fit into the frame. I'll put animation here as well. So once you've done everything, go to the file. If you like to record your own voice, you can do recording. If you want to record for a specific slide, you can choose the current slide. But I will not recommend this option. Better you can record it from another software. Now I will go to the file and export, create a video. Make sure to export your video into 1080 quality. Click on a create video. Now I will save it. Let me save it on my desktop. How to make professional video. Taking a bit long time to save. Now I will open it. Now you can see there is no watermark. The video looks so professional. Everything is in a right frame. So now you can use a PowerPoint to make your videos. So viewers, if you like my video, please support my channel, subscribe it, like and share it with your friends and comment it below. Thank you.